My name is Gary White. I'm Commercial Manager UK Operations at Camida. Camida are a specialised company in chemical sourcing. So we supply industries from life sciences to industrial and ingredients. So Camida and ReAgent have a partnership going back 5 or 6 years. I got involved 3 years ago. I had an inquiry where I needed a solution that wasn't UK REACH registered. Camida needed a partner who could REACH register the material for us and complete the dossier and submit everything on time for us. When we first started the project, we looked at the marketplace, we had a chat internally, and it was clear that ReAgent were the best partner to go to, and they ended up to do the job on time, in full, and to the satisfaction of us and our customer. The work that ReAgent did enabled us to gain the business and keep the business. If the work wasn't done on time and in full and to the right standards, we wouldn't have the business today as we still have. From our history with ReAgent, they've always been quick, efficient, the right cost base as well, and did things as they said they'd do it. Every time we place an order with ReAgent, the communication is always honest and truthful. And if they say it will come on a certain date, it always arrives on that date. If there was to be a delay, ReAgent would come back to us and tell us straight away and give us the reasons why. So it's a partnership we have rather than a customer-supply relationship, and that's key for us. Partnerships are key for us. As the future goes, and currently, ReAgent are definitely a partner that we go to first. I've got a number of projects on in life sciences, industrial and ingredients where we're working with ReAgent to come up with solutions, and we have trials at customers that we expect to see business from in the next 12 months. If a customer or a competitor came to me and asked for a recommendation on a specialist solution, I would definitely recommend ReAgent. The service, professionalism and everything we get from them is top notch.